ordinary. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in WTC Mall. I'm gonna watch Zumba dance today. And I'm gonna walk around also. Very hot outside. I cannot go walking outside. Very hot. Oh, wait, I need to check if the machine is working. Wait, I need to get my empty bottle. I'll drop it in the machine. I'll go back. I need to get the empty bottle to drop it in the machine. I need to get ponytail also. Good morning guys, happy weekend. It's weekend today. Ay, that's only little.